Here are the top project management tools that you should know in 2024. With so many tools out there, it can honestly be very overwhelming to know what tools you should use and where to even start. In this video, I'll cover the top tools that have helped me crush my projects. We'll break down the video in the following categories: task management and project tracking, storage, communication, and visualization tools. Let's get into it. When it comes to task management and project tracking, the right tool really depends on the scale of your projects. For smaller scale projects, you can definitely get by with literally just using Google Sheets. Really quick to use, and it saves you time, and it's free. I've run many projects literally through using basic spreadsheets. Think about good old Gantt charts for using documentation, reviewing and covering stakeholder discovery documents, and just overall tracking and presenting of data. Google Sheets is honestly a really clutch tool for getting through quick projects where you just need a simple fix in order to get the job done. You don't want to fall victim to over-engineering when there could be a simpler solution. When it comes to larger scale projects, I've used Monday and Asana both as task management and project tracking tools. The true benefit of using a project management tool is you not only can do task management, but you can also house your communication directly within that tool itself. There are many tools out there that are probably similar to what I've mentioned, but those are just personally the ones that I've used. Okay, let's get into storage then. As a project manager, having a secure storage system is so important. It helps you with organizing your documentation and finding it later, and for collaborating with your teams. Thankfully, Sync.com has the perfect solution for you. Sync is an encrypted, all-in-one cloud-based storage tool that's super easy to set up. I've used it to securely store data and to collaborate with my teams. Sync's platform has unlimited storage, so you never run out of space, unlike your iPhone camera roll. Admin features for adding and removing users, and integrates with your desktop for both Mac and PC. Thanks again to Sync for sponsoring this video. Link in description if you'd like to check them out. Okay, let's talk about communication tools. For holding your virtual video calls with internal team members or your client stakeholders, I recommend using either Google Meet or Zoom. I've personally used both of these two video platforms. The best thing about Zoom and Google Meet is if your organization does not have an enterprise account with them, you can simply make a free account, and I think you get around 30 minutes of video call with each platform without having to pay a dime. For your mobile and cellular communication needs, you have a couple options here as well. I'd recommend you use just your personal mobile or cell phone number in the case if you don't have a work or a business account. And in the case if you want to mask your mobile number, what you can do is you can actually create a Google phone account, completely free to create and to use. And basically what it does is it connects to your mobile device number and essentially acts as a shell for your cellular device. So you get a separate number which folks can call you at. You're able to receive voicemails. You're able to receive calls directly to your mobile device. The benefit here is it allows you to not have to disclose your cellular number if that is a concern for you. Last but not least, let's go into visualization tools. Depending on the type of data and information that you're trying to present, have a couple of options for you. Tried and true, tested, Google Slides. Completely free to use. Very similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. It's free. You're able to create decks on there, present information. Honestly, a great tool considering it's completely free to use. If you need to show flow charts, flow diagrams, or the intricate relationship between different projects, I would highly recommend you to check out Lucidchart. Lucidchart is a great visualization tool. They offer a lot of really user-friendly options for connecting, for showing these types of flow diagrams. I believe there's a free version out there as well, so you can definitely check that out. And last but not least, in general, for creating thumbnails, photoshopping, and just general small editing of clips, you can even use Canva as a great tool. I've utilized Canva to create a lot of the thumbnails in previous videos, so if you found those pretty good, check out Canva. So these tools have been just a couple ones that I personally used and I found to be helpful throughout my projects. With that being said, there are a lot of other great tools out there that may not have been depicted in the video, so comment below what tools you found to be most helpful and why. As a guiding principle, think about these things when you're picking out the best project tool for you. Can the project tool deliver what you need it to do? At what cost does the tool come with? How quickly can you build and utilize the tool? Depending on how complex your projects are or how simple they are, different tools fit different needs, and it's all about finding the right fit in that moment. I hope you found this video helpful. Comment below, what are some of your favorite project management tools that you use? We'll catch you on the next video.